What's the meaning of crow's feet? Crow's feet. Crow's feet.
Crow's feet. Crow's feet. Crow's feet is a colloquial term used to describe small lines and wrinkles that form around the outer corners of the eyes as a result of natural aging and repeated facial expressions. These fine lines are commonly associated with smiling, squinting, and other facial expressions that involve the eye area. Over time, the skin around the eyes becomes thinner and loses elasticity, leading to the formation of these wrinkles. Crow's feet can be minimized through various anti-aging treatments such as topical creams, injectable fillers, and laser therapy.